The Merit's Home Care Bed B211. This one-motor semi-electric bed offers both the strongest base frame in the industry and numerous standard features, making the B211 not only extremely robust, but also convenient and easy to use. The assembly of the B211 is very straightforward. First, align the head and foot sections. While at a 90-degree angle, slide the sections together until the hook on the foot section catches the rivet on the head section. Then straighten the frame to 180 degrees. With the two sections level, install the frame lock pin into each side of the frame. Next, connect the fabric halves together using the spring clips. Then attach the motor. It simply snaps onto the bed frame. After that, slide the plastic covers into place to lock the motor to the base. Lay the frame down and attach the foot end. It connects to the frame with two corner locks and two rivets on each side. Repeat with the head end. Finally, assemble the drive shaft under the bed. First, attach the drive shaft to the head end gearbox. Next, align the opposite end to the foot and gearbox and extend the drive shaft. The spring button in the middle of the drive shaft will pop up, thereby keeping the drive shaft locked between the head and foot gearboxes. Once assembled, adjusting the B211 is incredibly easy. To raise or lower the bed, simply rotate the hand crank at the foot end. Secure the bed at the desired height with a locking pin for each leg. To adjust the position of the bed, simply use the included remote control. Use it to raise or lower the foot of the bed, the head of the bed, or both at the same time. In case of power failure, the bed can be lowered by attaching a 9-volt battery. There are a number of optional accessories available for the B211, including the R2101 half-bed rails. These firmly attach to the bed frame. They can also easily be lowered and raised for easy patient transfer. With its hefty carrying capacity of 204 kilograms or 450 pounds, its easy assembly, convenient maintenance, and easy-to-use features, the Merit's B211 is an excellent home care bed.